Let's show our joy with a huge round of applause for the International Film Festival of India 2018.
IFFI is one of the most significant film festivals in Asia, and it marks the beginning of tourist season in Goa and is celebrated with complete vigor. The festival aims at providing a common platform for the cinematographers of the world to express the brilliance and luster of film and art.
Actually, that just brings me on a lighter note that there's the three of us have one thing in common. Do you know what that is, Akshay?
I think we all three do shooting.
Yes, that's true.
I think the people who are, the youngsters who are winning now, I mean 15-year-olds, 16-year-olds, stepping into the first competition ever, not a national competition, an international one, and beating the best in the field. Now that is India, you know, that is India.